Welcome to KrispCall. In this video, we'll show you how to easily load a credit amount into your KrispCall account to make a call and send SMS and MNS. To load KrispCall credit, log into KrispCall account, click on Settings and navigate to Credit under the Billing option. Your remaining credit will be displayed on the main screen along with notification and auto recharge options that you can control manually. Click on Purchase Credit shown on the upper right corner of the screen. A window pops up containing the details of your credit card and credit amounts ranging from $10 to $5,000. Now, select the amount of credit you want to purchase and click on Make Payment. A small notification window alerting you that your workspace has been credited appears at the top of your screen as soon as the process is complete. If you don't see the credit right away, reload the page and you're good to go. In the credit dashboard, you can enable the notification button to receive email alerts if your credit falls below $10. Similarly, by activating the auto recharge feature, your account will be topped up automatically when the credit is low. In this section, you can choose the desired credit amount. If your credit drops below $0.02, your KrispCall account will be temporarily restricted. Please note that KrispCall provides free $1 in every workspace sign-up. Contact our chat support for more information.